One of the new features that Google, Samsung, and other OEMs are advertising with the brand new update to Android 11 is the new notification history that is now built into the Android operating system and shown in the settings. Now, we've been able to view the notification history on Android for a while now thanks to third-party applications, but with Android 11, it is now built into the operating system, and at least right now, Google and Samsung are both prominently displaying this feature in the settings. The bad part is the feature is not turned on by default, and because of this, even though you may be anticipating the new feature to be enabled, until you turn it on, you're not going to be able to, or the operating system is not going to be collecting the history of your notifications. So let me show you how to enable that. It's very quick. We first go into the settings application, and on the Pixel phones, we then just look for the apps and notifications option. You can tap in there. And from here, you're going to see a notifications menu. And from here, you see the new notification history option that we can go into. And like I said, by default, it's not turned on. So it's not going to be collecting your notifications, but we can toggle the feature on right there. And then we will now get notifications logged in this notification history page within the settings. Now, if you're running a Samsung device that's on the Android 11 update, I believe it is One UI 3.0. If you're on a Samsung device, the feature is still in the settings, but Samsung has the settings application laid out a bit differently. There's no apps section that we go into first. Instead, you just open up these settings, go into notifications, scroll down to the bottom and tap on advanced settings. And then from here, you're going to see a notification history option, which again needs to be turned on for it to start collecting the notifications that you receive. Now, alternatively, you can always simply search for this feature in the settings. All modern Android operating systems have a search feature, which lets you search for specific words, and you can simply type in notification history, so that way you don't have to worry about going into certain submenus to actually get directly to the notification history section. And there you have it. That is how to enable notification history on the new Android 11 update for Google and Samsung smartphones and tablets.